Good morning, everyone. My name is Miran, and I am wishing you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. In India, every year on 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated as the national festival to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He was a man of true words and a great supporter of non-violence. Gandhiji's three monkeys are very famous who teach us see no evil, hear no evil and speak no evil. Gandhiji was a Mahatma not just for us Indians but the rest of the world too. Gandhiji, the father of the nation, is the inspiration for millions of people. So, it is a day to value a special person. We all should learn important lessons given by Gandhiji. Thank you.